Have you ever stood frozen in front of your iron silk shirt in hand, terrified you'll ruin it with one wrong move? You're not alone. Silk is one of the most luxurious fabrics in our wardrobes, but it's also one of the most delicate. Iron it the wrong way, and you could be left with scorch marks, shine spots, or worse, permanent damage. But don't worry, we've got your back. In this guide, we'll walk you through the proper way to iron silk, step by step, so your favourite garments stay smooth, flawless, and fabulous for years to come. Let's get into it. Why silk needs special attention first. It's essential to understand why silk is so sensitive. Unlike cotton or polyester, silk is a natural fibre. It's elegant, soft and breathable, but also highly vulnerable to heat, water and friction. That's why so many silk garments get damaged during ironing. The good news? With the right approach, you can keep your silk looking as good as the day you bought it. Step-by-step guide to ironing silk. Start by checking the care label. Not all silks are made equal. Some might recommend steaming only or even dry cleaning. Following those instructions can save you from a costly mistake. Next, set your iron to a low heat setting. If your iron has a silk setting, it's perfect. If not, use the lowest possible temperature. Silk and heat are not best mates. Too much of it, and the fabric can burn or lose its natural sheen. Now, here's one of our favourite tips. Turn the garment inside out. This small move goes a long way in protecting the fabric's surface and helps keep that beautiful texture intact. Before you touch the iron to the fabric, place a pressing cloth, like a clean cotton tea towel or muslin, between the iron and the silk. This creates a buffer and helps prevent scorching. Avoid steam and water sprays. Yes, you heard that right. Don't spray silk. Water can leave stains and watermarks that are nearly impossible to remove. If your garment is still wrinkled, try hanging it in a steamy bathroom or use a handheld steamer from a distance. When ironing, use a light touch. No dragging or sliding. Instead, gently press down, lift, and repeat the motion. Patience is key here. Once you've finished, let the garment cool completely before folding or wearing it. Folding warm silk can cause creases that are hard to fix. The benefits go beyond the fabric. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds like a bit of effort, but here's the thing. Taking proper care of your clothes isn't just about appearance. It improves your well-being. Wearing fresh, wrinkle-free clothing can boost your mood and confidence. You feel more put together, more you, whether it's a big meeting or a casual brunch. Arriving in crisp silk makes a lasting impression. Plus, the act of ironing itself can be oddly calming. The slow, rhythmic movements are almost meditative. A bit of self-care built into your routine. And when your wardrobe is organised, you save time. No more panicked mornings rummaging through crumpled clothes. Just smooth sailing and smooth outfits. Teaching good habits at home. Caring for your garments sets an example too, especially for kids. Teaching them how to treat delicate fabrics like silk fosters a sense of responsibility and appreciation for their belongings. It's a small act that creates lifelong habits. Financial and lifestyle benefits. Let's talk money for a second. Silk isn't cheap, and replacing damaged garments can be costly. However, when you care for your clothing properly, it lasts longer, resulting in fewer replacements and better value for your investment. Hiring a professional. It might seem like a luxury, but it's often more cost-effective than replacing that $300 blouse. Melbourne has some fantastic ironing services that specialise in silk, and they're more affordable than you might think. Learning how to iron silk at home also means fewer trips to the dry cleaner, saving you even more in the long run. Extra tips for silk success. Here are a few bonus tips to round things out. Use a mild, silk-specific detergent when washing your silk items. Harsh chemicals break down the fibres. Store silk garments away from sunlight to prevent fading. Always wash your hands before handling silk. Oils and dirt transfer quickly. Use padded hangers to help dresses and blouses keep their shape. These small actions can make a significant difference in the longevity of your clothing. Wrapping up. So, what's the proper way to iron silk? It's not just about technique, it's about intention. About slowing down, caring for what you have, and enjoying the process. Whether you do it yourself or use Melbourne's top ironing services, the goal is the same: to protect your garments, save time and money, and feel great in what you wear. And if you're still unsure, don't risk it. The team at Clean House Melbourne is here to assist with expert fabric care, ironing, and a range of additional services.